everyone, it's Kiara Sky, and I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you how to do the xPress Pro Instant Acrylic Manicure in under 25 minutes. This is a game changer for press-on application and it's super easy to master, but there are a few key things to keep in mind, so let's go over them together. Here are the products that you will need: nail primer, clear all-in-one powder, an acrylic brush, your xPress Pro 100% acrylic press-on nails, and a top coat, which is optional. First, make sure you start any nail service with clean, sanitized hands. You're going to begin by sizing the press-on tips to your natural nail, making sure you have a perfect fit from sidewall to sidewall. Here's a pro tip: if the nail tip is too big or too small, it will cause premature lifting, so if you're in between sizes, I recommend going with a bigger tip and filing it down to customize the fit. Use a cuticle pusher to gently push back the cuticles and expose any dead tissue. Remove the natural shine from the nail using an e-file and a fine grit sanding gun. A few seconds on each nail will do the trick. Now apply a thin layer of acrylic primer to the natural nail. This is the key to no lifting because it helps the acrylic bond to the nail. Because we want our acrylic to dry super fast, we're pulling out our secret weapon, the Kiara Sky Monomer Enhancer. This is how we get our acrylic to set super fast, and all it takes is a few drops in your favorite monomer. Now for the fun part, the application. Start by picking up a small bead of acrylic and place it on the underside of the tip. Wait a few seconds and take the tip and place it onto the natural nail at a 45-degree angle. Then slowly press it down, making sure to avoid any air bubbles, and hold for about 10 seconds. Continue holding the tip until the acrylic dries completely. About 30 seconds if you're using the monomer enhancer, and if you're not, you will just need to wait a little bit longer. Add a bit more acrylic on the back of the nail tip for extra hold, especially if you're using medium and long nail tips. Now this last step is optional, but if you're extra rough on your nails and you want to lock in your design for longer, we recommend adding a layer of gel top coat and curing that for 60 seconds. Now repeat on all 10 fingers, and there you have it, the perfect instant acrylic manicure that will last you a full 3 weeks and only takes minutes to apply.